To be frank, this channel is not about AI, it's not about programming, it's not about technology, it's about life. Today I'll show you how to generate AI images directly on your own machine. No cloud services, no subscriptions, just a simple local setup you can follow. One of the easiest ways to run AI image diffusion models locally is to use an open source program ComfyUI. If you don't have it yet, navigate to comfy.org, download it and install it. Open ComfyUI, click on Templates, and here you'll find dozens of pre-made workflows, AI configurations that you can load as starting points. To generate images from text prompts, find OmniGen 2 template and load it. The first time you use it, you will need to download specific AI models required by OmniGen. Here I was missing Qwen Text Encoder and OmniGen 2 image diffusion models. Note that these models are large and weigh several gigabytes. The text encoder model is used for CLIP. It's an AI model that understands the relationship between text and images. It converts your text prompts into a format that the image generator can understand. By default, you'll see a sample prompt about a cat with a crown lounging on a velvet throne. Below is a negative prompt, which tells the model what elements or qualities it should avoid generating. Let's try rendering it. Here you can see how the workflow progresses for different nodes, until it reaches the sampler node, where the diffusion process, the most computation-intensive step, takes place. Note that if you want to generate identical image later, all the input parameters and model weights must match. This means that you need to use the same downloaded models, exactly the same prompts, same image size and same initial noise seed. Hey, here's the cat! Diffusion models begin by generating a field of pure random noise. The model then gradually denoises it into the final image based on your prompt, and it's the noise seed number that controls the pattern of that initial random noise. You can actually try to reproduce this. Copy this noise seed number into your OmniGen 2 workflow. If all other parameters match, you should get exactly the same cat. I made the random seed number fixed, so it won't change further in this video. Now I will change only one character in the prompt, by making crown word uppercase. Let's see what image do we get with this tiny change. Cat's head moved. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's have some fun with it. Oh my, let's try again. Let's swap the cat in the prompt for a lizard, but keep everything else the same. Our goal is to get the same background. Quite nice. Let's try to add some nature to it. A lizard in front of a huge old oak. Ew. Okay, so this resulted in two heads. Let's add those two heads to the negative conditioning prompt, so it doesn't do that. You know, for a second I thought that fixed it, but it now has a loop in the tail. Let's add that as a negative condition too. Looks like it's trying to avoid the challenge. Let's scratch it and do something beautiful. A colorful herb meadow with lots of flowers and bees. Sunny weather, and in the middle stands a tall tree, on the branches of which many small birds sit. And I'll remove previous to negative conditions. Very cute. Let me add realistic into the prompt, re-enable random seed, and let it generate 8 different images in batch mode. Wait, where did the birds go? I know, I'll write a huge detailed prompt. Oh, now the bees are gone too, but I like it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. And as Plato said, the beginning of wisdom is wonder. So stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.